So hi, I'm Mike from Restwell Mattress. This is the new deluxe adjustable bed base, and we're going to demonstrate what we feel is the easiest way to install the mechanism on the room and board platform bed. Most rooms probably won't have room to lay the bed on the floor, so if we bring a couple blankets in, we put them on the bed so that it's protected, we can use that as our workspace. In the future, the box is going to come with a tag on one end that says head of the bed. The initial order, the product that you're now delivering, does not have that. So we actually have to peek in the box and determine the head and foot of the bed. You may have noticed I opened up the side that has the printing on it. That's going to be the bottom of the base inside the box. And what we're going to see is on the foot of the bed are these two brackets. They are not on the head of the bed. We're going to set the mechanism down next to the bed with the printed side here, which is the bottom of the bed, and drop it on. When one person secures the bed, you've got a package marked electronics, user's guide and manual. Now, at the foot of the bed are the 2 foot retainer brackets, and they're fastened with twist ties. You got a clipper probably. There's a moisture pack that you want to remove. There's a power down box, a Bluetooth. We've disconnected the power down box, the electrical cord. Then we go to the Bluetooth, which is this unit here, and from the factory it's coming connected. We want to unplug that. So we're actually only utilizing one of the connections here to the power down box. And the power down box is a receiver for the Bluetooth, and that just simply gets plugged in there. And what we'll do is we're going to pick it up, set it on the edge of the bed, on the slats. And then I will get the cords, and we want to drop them in the slat towards, or in between the slats, towards the head of the bed. And then we'll just drop her down. And you want to move the mechanism down so it's touching the foot of the bed. Surge protector, because that's what's recommended for the bed to be plugged into. In your electronics box, will be your power cord, your remote control with batteries, and the power box is plug into the power cord. Then the electrical cord, the plug-in, will plug into the power box, and that's ready to be plugged in. The retainers, which are used on the end of the bed to keep the mattress in place, will look like that. So you want to make sure you put it in, push it down, and it just slides into place. The remote control comes pre-programmed to this unit from the factory.
So when placing the adjustable bed, there will be that adjustable foot on the headboard side, and if it matches that slat, we're fine with that. We can finish at that point. But if you do not hit a slat, maybe a wood slat, possibly another slat pattern, we are going to utilize the rectangular linear felt pads that you can place on the frame of the adjustable bed, and then make sure that it hits one of the slats. So that'll lift it up just enough to be able to make sure that nothing hits the slats for the bed. Hi there, I just wanted to insert a little segment here to explain to you what the power down box and the placement of the power box or the power down box is for when you set this bed. We originally thought about attaching this to the board onto actually the adjustable bed frame, but the problem with that is we want to be able to make sure that the customer is able to access this box. There's two 9-volt batteries that go into this, and if there's a time when the power goes out, the customer and the bed is up, the customer will still be able to lower this bed by pressing this button. So that's why it has to be accessible for the customer. So as you set it down in between the slats, make sure that the customer is able to reach it. If it's an upholstered bed, there's going to be the rails that are surrounding it. Just make sure it's closer to the headboard, so when the bed is up, you can still reach down and get the power down box. And on this unit, this is the deluxe unit. You have the Bluetooth, but on the standard one, all you will see on this bed is this box as well as the power down box, and that's it. So it's going to be quite a bit different, but I wanted to give you an idea of where to place this power down box, and if you have the Bluetooth box, where to put that as well. So since it's all connected, like I said, we want to make sure that the customer is able to access this.